Question number 4. A kangaroo makes 2 consecutive jumps. The trajectory is represented by 2 portions of parabolas associated with functions f and g. The rule associated with the second jump, this one, g, is g of x is equal to negative 0.25 times x minus 6.4 squared plus 2.56. What is the rule associated with the first jump if the kangaroo jumped twice as high on the first jump as the second jump? We need to figure out what the vertex is. It's positive 6.4 and 2.56. What we don't know is the zeros here, and we need to know the zero in order to get the equation of this parabola. We need to know a point and the vertex, and we can figure out the vertex, but once we know the zero, we're going to find the zeros of this parabola first. Set the g of x equal to 0, set the y value equal to 0, and solve for x. I want to see if this factored. I divided this term by negative 0.25 and that term and that term. So divide all the terms by negative 0.25. That gives me x minus 6.4 squared minus 10.24. Square this. Square the first term is x squared. 2 times the first times the last is negative 12.8x. Square the negative 6.4. 40.96, subtract the 10.24, gives us 30.72. This doesn't look terribly factorable. I'm going to go to my quadratic formula, where x is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Replace the b with negative 12.8, minus 12.8 all squared, minus 4 times the a, which is 1, times the c, which is 30.72. Divide all that by 2. That gives us 3.2 when we do the minus and 9.6 when we do the plus. The two zeros are 3.2 and 9.6. So right here is the 3.2. There's my 9.6. This, by the way, is 0. We can figure out the h now. The h is going to be halfway to the 3.2, which is 1.6. Over here, we know that the h and k were 6.4 and 2.56. The kangaroo is jumping twice as high on the first jump, so 2 times 2.56 is 5.12. We know the h and k. We can write our standard formula. Y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, where the h is 1.6 and the k is the 5.12. We have this formula. To find the a, I'm going to pop in one of my zeros. It doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm picking 0, 0 because it seems a lot easier to me. 0 is equal to a times 0 minus 1.6. 1.6 squared is 2.56. We get 2.56a plus the 5.12. Subtract the 5.12 from both sides. We have negative 5.12 is equal to 2.56a. Divide both sides by 2.56. We get negative 2 is equal to a. Y is negative 2 times x minus 1.6 squared plus 512 is the rule associated with the first jump of the kangaroo. And that is it for question number 4. Have a good day.